Want your YouTube videos to actually get clicked? It starts with the thumbnail. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create eye-catching, professional thumbnails using Canva. Perfect for anyone in 2025, whether you're a beginner or already posting content. First, open Canva on your computer or phone. On the homepage, look for the search bar at the top and type YouTube thumbnails. Canva will instantly pull up a ton of ready-made templates that are already sized perfectly for YouTube. Take a moment to scroll through them. You'll see everything from bright and bold designs to clean, minimalist options. Pick one that matches your style or the vibe of your video and click to open it. Once it's selected, hit the Customize this template button. This takes you into Canva's editor where you can make it your own. Start by changing the text to reflect your video title or hook. Keep it short, punchy, and easy to read even on a small screen. You can also switch out the font and adjust the color scheme to match your branding or channel aesthetic. Now, let's bring in visuals. Click on Uploads in the sidebar and drag in your own images, maybe a snapshot from the video, your face, or something related to the topic. Just drag your image onto the template and position it where it grabs attention without overwhelming the text. As you tweak everything, layout, colors, fonts, and images, keep in mind clarity is key. Zoom out occasionally to see how it looks at a smaller size, because that's how most people will see it on their phones. When you're happy with the design, use the preview option to double check spacing and text visibility. If everything looks sharp and readable, go ahead and download it. Canva will export it in high quality, ready to upload to your video. And that's it. You've just created a custom thumbnail that can boost your clicks and make your channel look polished and professional. Keep experimenting with different templates and styles to find what works best for your content. If this helped, stick around for more easy creator tips and happy designing.